Good morning, class 7th. So today we have to start from this exercise. Exercise number 2, page number 56 of your grammar book. Open your book at page number 56. Yesterday we have completed up to this exercise number 1. We have completed up till here yesterday. And today we are going to start with from here. It is 31st and it is Saturday. Write the day and date also. There from where we are going to start. Now put the verbs in the bracket into correct tenses: simple past, past perfect and present perfect, past perfect continuous. The people discovered that the bomb squad had already denoted the bomb. The people had discovered that the bomb squad had, यहाँ पे सिंपल डालते हैं, द पीपल डिस्कवर्ड दैट द बॉम्ब स्क्वाड हैड ऑलरेडी denoted the bomb squad had already detonated the bomb. Next is I dash my mother before I called my mother. I called my mother before she had slept. I called up my mother before she had slept. Had been तो नहीं आएगा. Before he had been sleeping, no. I called up my mother before she had slept. Perfect. Here also perfect tense. She dashed me that she be to London. She had told me that she had been to London. She had told, यहाँ पे perfect लगेगा. She had told me that she had been to लिखा हुआ है. She had told me that she, दो बार had नहीं लगेगा. She told me that she had been to London. B की form. The authorities dash him that the flight had taken off, that he had been late. The authorities informed him that the flight had been taken off and he was late. Had taken off. The authorities informed him that the flight had taken off and that he was late. B की form was. The manager asked Vineet why he was absent the day before. Why he was absent the day before without permission. He had been absent. Not been. He had. No. Why he was absent. Simple was ही आएगा. Why he was absent. The patient died since he suffered. He had been suffering. हाँ, since है ना. Since है तो बच्चे. Since he had been suffering. यहाँ पे सेंस वो वाला सेंस नहीं है. यहाँ पे सेंस बिकॉज की तरह यूज किया गया है. ही डाइड, द पेशेंट डाइड बिकॉज ही वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर या ही हैड बीन सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर. हैड बीन नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे जो सेंस का मीनिंग है वो डिफरेंट है। यहाँ पे वो वाला सेंस नहीं है जो जिसमें हम टाइम पता चलता है, पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। दिस इज नॉट हियर, द सेंस इज यूज्ड एज बिकॉज द पेशेंट डाइड बिकॉज सिंस ही वॉज सफरिंग नहीं, इन्होंने बोला कंटिन्यूस है ना, he had been suffering, but here the point of time is not given from which time he was suffering. The patient died since he suffered from cancer. Abhi dash French. Abhi had already learned French. Had already learned French before she left for France. Vikash dash a seat in the IIT. Vikash got a seat in IIT since he had cracked. Since means because, as he has. यहाँ पे भी since का जो meaning है वो different है. As he had cracked. Perfect वाला है. Since he had cracked the IIT entrance. When I reached home, I had no difficulty. My friends had made all arrangements. My friends had made all arrangements. I never saw such beautiful landscape until I had been to Kerala. Until his father, until I arrived, until I went to Kerala. ठीक है ये. I never saw such beautiful landscape until I went to Kerala. ये आपका आ गया पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. जब तक मैं केरला नहीं गया था तब तक मैंने इतना सुंदर लैंडस्केप नहीं देखा था. नाउ वी कम टू दिस. यहाँ पे वी हैव टू रीड द सेंटेंसेस, अंडरस्टैंड देम एंड देन वी हैव टू फिल देम. पुट द वर्ब्स इन द ब्रैकेट्स इनटू करेक्ट टेंसेस, पास्ट और परफेक्ट. I dash my friend since I last see him. I have not met my friend since I last saw him at the college. Since I had seen him at the college where he had gone to collect a provisional. I past perfect tenses यूज करने हैं, past और present. I had not met छोटा छोटा लिखते हैं. I had not met my friend since I last had seen him. I last had seen him at college where he had gone. I did not mean. Perfect ही आने ना सारे. I had not met my friend since I last had seen him. I have not met my. Here have आएगा फिर. I have not met my friend since I had seen him at the college where he had gone to collect our provisional certificates. I read Dan Brown's Da Vinci Code. I had read it. since last month. I have read it since last month. I had been reading Unachieved. I had been reading it since last month. I had read it. But there they have written the past and past perfect tenses only. They have not added the continuous tense. So according to the title, we have to mention only the past or the present perfect. So I have read Dan Brown Da Vinci Code. I had read it since last month. We have subscribed to the online video library last month. We had subscribed to the online video library last month. So far we had watched many interesting videos borrowed from the library. So far we had watched many interesting videos borrowed from the library. I had seen your missed call that you have given. I have seen your missed call that you had given me in the morning. I think you have got some problem. Have you? I think you haven't got. I think you have got some problem. Have you? I always wanted to become a scientist. Past or present perfectly, kind of. I always had wanted. Always have wanted to become a scientist. I always have wanted to become a scientist, but I had become a doctor now. The flight has taken off when she had reached the airport. We have waited for half an hour when the teacher had come into the class. We have waited for half an hour when the teacher had come into the class. Rewrite the following sentences in the past perfect continuous tense using the time phrases given in the brackets. Now we have to rewrite these sentences using the past perfect continuous, and the time phrases are given here. Bad weather was disturbing many important flights.